Welcome to beautiful San Juan del Sur. Join us for a walking tour of the town to get a glimpse of the amenities the town of San Juan del Sur has to offer and what life is like in this beautiful Central American country. Here we are at the far edge of town in the port area. There's a bank, several restaurants and shops, and the main dock that welcomes cruise ship passengers and local boaters.
San Juan is known for its beautiful sunsets. This is a great place to come and watch the amazing evening sky. The fish market is a great spot to pick up the catch of the day, which includes a variety of fish, shrimp, lobster, and prepared ceviche.
The downtown of San Juan del Sur spans about 4 to 5 blocks along the beach and about 3 blocks back. This is where you'll find the majority of shops and restaurants. Everywhere is just a short walk. Watch out for uneven streets and sidewalks. If you need some dental work done while you're in town, the service is excellent and very, very affordable.
Here is one of our favorite coffee shops, La Tosteria. There is a large variety of restaurants along the beach. Stop in for lunch, breakfast, happy hour, or dinner. A great place to watch the sunset and catch the ocean breeze.
In town, there are several boutique hotels, a multitude of hostels, and numerous Airbnb rentals. There's also surf hotels and eco resorts in the area. Miscalina Sanchez is a great convenience store in town that has many specialty and hard-to-find items, as well as all your grocery staples. There are several of them in town. Here is my favorite vegetable and fruit market.
Here is the church square and park. On the far side of the park is another great coffee shop, Juan del Sur. Streets and shops can be hard to find at first, but once you roam around a little bit, you can get the hang of where everything is.
In the Mercado Central, you'll find a butcher, fruit and vegetable stands, clothes, some houseware items, and several food stalls. This market is just a small taste of what you'll find at the larger Rivas Market. It's about a 30-minute drive away. Shopping here is always an adventure. There's not really one-stop shopping. you'll typically go to several places to pick up everything that you need. But that's part of the fun. This is the Tree Casa pickup. It's a shuttle that takes you to Tree Casa Resort, about a 15-minute drive out of town, to a treetop eco resort. Add this to your must-do list when you're in San Juan.
This is the beer distributor. It is the cheapest place to buy beer. One of the main corners in town, El Social, Canadian bar. It's a landmark and a good reference point for navigating around town. We're now heading back down the beach strip to the other edge of town. Here we are at our favorite burger shop, O's Bar, which is open in the evening. It's $2 per burger. It's got amazing homemade fries.
You can head down to the end of this street or walk along the beach as you leave downtown. It's just a short walk across the river and we're home. If you haven't yet taken a tour of our house, check on our channel for our recent house tour video. If you enjoyed the walking tour of San Juan del Sur, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to our channel, and tune in for more amazing adventures.